Have you ever trusted someone so much, only to find out they were plotting against you the whole time? That's exactly what happened to me. My best friend, well, I thought she was my best friend, tried to destroy my reputation and take away everything I cared about. But what she didn't know was that I was already 3 steps ahead. And when I exposed her in front of everyone, let's just say, she wished she'd never crossed me. It all started a few months ago, during the biggest week of my school year, student council elections. I was running for president, something I'd dreamed about since freshman year. I worked hard, planning events, organizing fundraisers, and connecting with students. Everyone said I was a sure win. Everyone, except my so-called best friend, Mia. Mia and I had been inseparable since middle school. Sleepovers, secrets, late-night talks, she knew everything about me. Or at least, I thought she cared. But jealousy is a dangerous thing. One day, I started noticing little changes. Mia stopped texting me back right away. She'd forget to invite me to group hangouts. Then, rumors started spreading. Someone was saying that I cheated on a test last semester, a test I aced fair and square. At first, I brushed it off. But then, things got worse. Anonymous messages appeared on the student council forum, accusing me of stealing fundraising money. People whispered in the hallways. Teachers looked at me differently. My reputation, everything I'd worked for, was crumbling. And guess who was always there to comfort me? Mia. But I wasn't stupid. Something felt off. One night, while we were supposed to be studying together, Mia went to the kitchen to grab snacks. Her laptop was open on the desk, and curiosity got the better of me. I peeked. My heart nearly stopped. There it was, an entire folder of screenshots, fake messages, and edited photos, all designed to make me look guilty. And the sender, Mia herself. She'd been creating fake accounts and spreading lies about me for weeks. I wanted to scream. I wanted to cry. But instead, I smiled. Because in that moment, I realized I had everything I needed to turn the tables. I quickly copied the folder onto my USB drive before she came back. I acted normal, laughing at her jokes like nothing happened. For the next few days, I played along, pretending to be the clueless victim. Meanwhile, I gathered proof, screenshots of her fake profiles, IP addresses, and timestamps. The night of the student council debate finally arrived. The entire school was there, students, teachers, parents. Mia sat in the front row, smirking like she'd already won. She probably thought I was going to give a pathetic speech and quietly fade away. But when it was my turn to speak, I did something no one expected. I pulled out the USB drive and connected it to the projector. The room went silent as I displayed every piece of evidence, every fake message, every edited photo, every account linked back to Mia. Gasps echoed through the auditorium. Mia's face turned pale. She tried to interrupt, but the principal silenced her. The truth was undeniable. By the end of the night, not only was I cleared of all accusations, but Mia was officially banned from running for any school office. I won the election in a landslide. But more importantly, I learned a powerful lesson. Never underestimate the quiet strength of staying calm and collecting proof. Revenge doesn't always mean fighting back with anger. Sometimes, the best revenge is letting the truth speak louder than lies. So to anyone out there dealing with fake friends or backstabbers, remember this: stay smart, stay patient, and never let them see you break. Because when the truth finally comes out, it hits harder than anything else. Mia thought she was playing chess, but I was playing checkmate.